The marine environment is complex and presents many challenges. A range of means of observation in the air, at sea, and on land provide information on the maritime tactical situation. But for positive identification and an immediate attack, the captain needs an organic, independent capability that will ensure the success of the mission. IAI presents HAROP, Organic Maritime Loitering Weapon System. HAROP is a patrol and attack craft providing the ultimate solution for a force commander on a vessel of OPV class and above. The HAROP is launched like a missile, immediately when needed, with no prior coordination regardless of weather conditions. The HAROP flies to the area of interest and patrols like a drone, generating around 9 hours of aerial observation. The HAROP is controlled by the force commander. Its electro-optic picture of the targets is integrated with the Maritime Command and Control picture. After positive identification of the target, a selection of precise hit point, the HAROP immediately attacks and destroys the target. The HAROP's combat capabilities are many and varied, and it has a number of attack profiles, including attacking targets close to shore, attacking targets in port, attacking onshore targets. The HAROP's level of accuracy is a force multiplier when attacking specific targets with minimum collateral damage. HAROP, Maritime Loitering Weapon System, the ultimate solution for the naval commander.